It's easy to add to your WordPress.com website multimedia elements such as photos, graphics, audio, and video. This video tutorial will show you how. Once you've logged into your WordPress.com account and are on your blog's dashboard, find the page to which you wish to add a multimedia element, then click Edit. In this example, I'm going to add a photograph. You should have already prepared your original photo for uploading by using Photoshop to resize and crop it. Remember, all multimedia elements on your website should be original. Otherwise, you need permission from the copyright holder. For more about non-original elements, watch the next video tutorial. Here's how to add an original photo or graphic. Click just before the text on your page where you want the image to appear. I'm going to put mine right here. Then click on the Add an Image button. That's right up here next to where it says Upload Insert. You have several sources for adding images. The media library includes items you have already uploaded to your WordPress.com site. The From URL option is for an item that exists somewhere else on the internet. From Computer lets you add an image from your own computer. Click on From Computer. Then select Files. Navigate to the location on your computer where your photo is located, then click on the file name. Click Open. After a while, your image will be uploaded to your site's media library, and you'll need to fill in some information. At a minimum, give your image a title and alternate text. So I'm going to call this one Audio Mixer, alternate text, the Tiger Radio Audio Mixer. For caption, give yourself credit. For example, original photo by Joe Student. For alignment, choose left or right, depending on how you'd like it to appear. I'm going to choose left. Then go ahead and choose which size. You can see that the full size is rather large, but I'm going to choose medium to appear on the page. When you're done, click on Insert into Post. To see how the page will look, click on Preview Changes. A new tab will open with a preview of your page, and in this case I'm going to scroll down so I can see how the picture appears. If you like what you see, go ahead and click back on your Dashboard tab, then click on Update. Once the page has been updated, the changes you made will be saved. Let's say you want to add a video instead. I'm on a different page on my site. I'm going to click just before the text on the page where I want the video to appear. This is what you should do if you're adding a video. Then I'm going to click the Add Video button. It's right up here, Add Video. Now your choices for adding a video are a little bit different. You can do it from your computer or from the media library, but notice that with WordPress.com, if you want to add video from your own computer, they'll charge you money to upgrade to a video option. See, the only choice is to add video from a URL. That's a location where you've already got it on the internet. And they give you a few choices here. The main choices are YouTube and Vimeo. Let's say you have your original video hosted on YouTube. Go to the page where your video is hosted, click in the address bar, highlight everything, and copy the URL. Remember, that's Command C. Go back to your Insert Video dialog box, and next where it says URL, paste, Command V. Then choose Insert into Post. Now you have some code in there. The only way to see it is to preview your page. So go ahead and click on Preview Changes. After the page has been updated, click on your Preview tab, scroll down the page, and now you can see that your YouTube video has been embedded in your page. So you've got the interface, you've got a preview for it, it works really well. But this only works for YouTube videos and Vimeo. There's a couple other choices there. There's one more step to add. Now remember, this is for original videos that you've hosted on YouTube. So go back to your dashboard. So go ahead and click right after you have the embed code. I'm just going to hit Return. and go ahead and type your credit. Now, you may want to go ahead and just highlight this a little bit. Change it so that it's bold and italic to make it stand out. Preview the changes. When the page has been updated, click on your Preview tab. And now you've got your original video, and you've also got your credit and the rest of the text on your page. There's one more option for displaying videos on your WordPress.com website without having to host them on YouTube or another source that will sit there and use your videos for whatever they'd like. You basically give them the license for that. Here's how to do an option. First, I'm going to get rid of the YouTube code here in my other one because I'm going to be hosting it a little bit differently this time. If, for example, you have your video hosted on another site such as Tiger TV, just go to the page that has your video. In this case, it's a story about the Mock Congress. Go ahead and again, copy the URL. Go ahead and highlight it all and copy it with Command-C. So again, I'm going to find the spot in my text where I want to add the link. I'm going to go ahead and click there, paste or type what I want to say. In this case, I'm going to say, to see my original video interview with an expert on the Mock Congress, please click here. I'm going to go ahead and highlight the part that I want them to click on. In this case, it's going to be click here. With that highlighted, I'm going to click on the link button. Where the URL is, I'm going to go ahead and paste that URL for where my post is. I'll give it a title. And I'm going to choose Open a Link in a New Window so that they will go away from my site, but they'll be able to come back after they're watching the video. Then I click Add Link. So to test this again, I go ahead and click on Preview Changes. Click on the tab for my preview page. Go ahead and notice there's a button to click. I click on that. A new tab opens up, takes me right to the page with my video. If I like what I did, I'm going to go back to my dashboard and make sure I click on the Update button to save the changes I've made to my page. Let's add a different type of media element, in this case audio. I've opened up a different page. I have an insert button here which is called Add Audio. But here's the thing about WordPress.com. When you click Add Audio, it won't let you upload it from your computer or the media library. It won't take those type of files. It's usually an MP3 file. If you go from a URL and upload it, it doesn't play back that well. So the best way to add audio to a page on your WordPress.com website is this way. Just as we did in the second option for adding a video link, we're going to go ahead and add a link within the document. In this case, I've typed, to hear my original radio show about food, please click here. So I go to the post of the radio show at TigerRadio.net. I go up to the URL, highlight it all, copy it with Command-C, return to my dashboard, highlight, please click here, click on the link button, go to the URL box and paste, Command-V, give it a title, click Open Link in New Window or Tab, and click Add Link. Click on Preview Changes, click on my Preview tab, make sure I refresh the page, Command-R, scroll down, see that there's a link, click on that link, see that a new tab opens up, and my radio show is right there. So once I'm happy with it, I go back to the dashboard and click the Update button to make sure that the page has been updated. You now know how to add original photos, graphics, video, or audio files to your WordPress.com website.